Chain's tight, pull her out. Got it, moving now. Easy does it. Watch the front. Keep it steady. Almost there, clear. This bolt is really stuck. Let me check the front. Front looks clear. How's the wheel? Almost there, one more turn. Let's get a better look in here.
Right, caliper bolt's tight here.
Good, check the hoses for leaks.
On it.
Looks clear so far. Okay, start with the head bolts. Got it, loosening them now. Good, now pull it straight up. Clear, setting it aside. All right, piston is aligned, lowering it in. Got it. Torquing can head bolts. Perfect. Now for the connecting rod.
Right.
Guiding it in now.
Hold it steady right there. Got it. Sparks are flying.
Good, now check the fit. Looks solid, ready for the next.
All right, move to the bracket.
This panel is aligning well. Good, keep the shape tight. Shifting to the filler now. Let me check that light.
Hand me the brake cleaner.
Got it, here you go. Thanks, how's the torque?
Almost done, just one more. Good, let's check the rear.
Will do. See this tear? I'll restitch it. Good, use the fine tool. It's tight, looks good. Perfect, on to the next. Torque specs are dead on. Spinning smooth now. Final check, all tight. Let's start with the bumper. It's filthy.
Right. I'll grab a rag.
Check the wheel well too, might be damage.
On it.